Hey everyone, I'm Selena from Rick's Review Hub. If you're a coffee lover dreaming of barista-style lattes at home, you're gonna love this. Today, we're diving into the Nespresso Breville Vertuo Creatista, a sleek machine that promises cafe-quality drinks with push-button ease. Stick around as we break down its features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's your next coffee obsession. Let's brew this up. First, let's talk about what makes the Vertuo Creatista special. This machine uses Nespresso's Vertuo pods with barcode technology to brew 6 drink sizes, from 1.35-ounce espressos to 8-ounce coffees, all topped with rich crema. Its standout feature is the built-in Auto MilQ steam wand, which automatically froths milk with 3 temperature and 3 texture settings, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites, even with plant-based milk. It comes with a stainless steel milk jug, has a 67.6-ounce water tank, and brews in under 30 seconds. Plus, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connect to the Nespresso app for recipes and maintenance tips. The all-stainless steel design looks like it belongs in a fancy coffee shop. Now the pros. The coffee quality is fantastic, consistent, flavorful, and topped with gorgeous crema. The steam wand is a game-changer, delivering silky foam without any barista skills. It's super easy to use. Pop in a pod, press a button, and froth your milk. The premium stainless steel build feels luxurious and durable. Cleanup is simple with an auto-rinse function and a detachable drip tray. It's perfect for both espresso fans and drip coffee drinkers, and the plant-based milk frothing option is a big win. But there are some cons. At around $750, it's one of the priciest Nespresso machines. The Vertuo pods are expensive, starting at about $1 each, and you're limited to Nespresso or Starbucks pods, no third-party options. It's bulky, taking up significant counter space at 9.6 by 16.4 inches. Some users find the twist lock lid less convenient than other Vertuo models, and the Wi-Fi features feel gimmicky since you can't remotely brew. Who's this for? If you love milk-based drinks like lattes or cappuccinos and want a hassle-free premium coffee experience at home, the Vertuo Creatista is a dream. It's ideal for busy folks or coffee enthusiasts who value convenience and quality over traditional espresso machines. Ready to bring the coffee shop home? Check the link in the description to grab the Nespresso Breville Vertuo Creatista on Amazon for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.